Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make $2,680 using this new website. This is free and available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to earn passive income. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Now, first and foremost, go to google.com and search for the keyword cute animals. Then click on this button, which is photographs, which will take you to this page. You can find a lot of photos of all of these cute animals and utilize them to make a lot of money online by using a certain website and produce it. Second, visit teespring.com, a website that may be found at teespring.com. Teespring is a free platform that allows you to use artificial intelligence to create a range of e-commerce products that you can then sell online without having to communicate with anyone. It's actually a lot easier and simpler than you might expect. And as previously stated, all you have to do is copy and paste the photos into teespring.com. Once you've uploaded all of your images and designs to Teespring, it'll just help you print them on various garments, t-shirts, and other designs that you can see here. Teespring.com has a large selection of apparel. Check out this design. All you have to do is upload and paste some simple graphics, and they'll let you print them on a variety of t-shirts. Check out this $20 t-shirt. And don't forget that teespring.com offers a ton of different designs that you can use to sell nearly anything by simply copying and pasting. There are accessories, as well as backpacks, tights, and even phone covers, as you can see. Print on demand is the concept underlying the money-making strategy. Teespring will be happy to pre-manufacture and generate all of your t-shirts and different designs for you, as well as assist you with shipping to 180 countries worldwide. Not only that, but they can do it with same-day or two-day shipping, letting you to start your own teespring.com store. Awesome! This is how things work in general. To get started, simply open the Teespring launcher and select the stock designing option. In a few seconds, I'll show you how to use your phone or computer to start designing t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting different images, so stay tuned. You can produce and design a variety of additional goods on teespring.com. And once you've accomplished that, we'll move on to the next step, which is increasing your sales. To integrate, you can either use the current network, employ a technology, or collaborate. You will be able to generate more revenue if you continue to watch this video. You will be able to do it without selling, referring, or having any technological knowledge. It's actually rather simple, and it's up and running right now. As a result, Teespring will assist you with the production, shipping, and fulfillment of orders from all over the world. They can even assist you with client service because they have a skilled team on standby. All you have to do now is return to teespring.com and click on the Start Designing button at the top of the page, which will take you to this page where you can join up for the world's most popular creator platform. Simply enter your name or brand name, email address, and password, and then click Sign Up button. So when you've filled out your personal information and created an account, you'll be sent to this website where you'll find several categories of different trending products, as well as a number of ideas for what's hot and what's trending right now. Joggers, face masks, and other digital clothing and accessories are also becoming increasingly popular. If none of these categories appeal to you, scroll down to view all of the numerous themes, goods, and products you can make. As you can see, there are a lot of them. So in this video, I'll show you how to use this design on a genuine long sleeve t-shirt. Now all you have to do is press the start button to go to the long sleeve t-shirt area. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. As a result, in this video, I'll teach you how to start with the greatest, the original. As you can see, there is a central section where we must copy and paste a picture onto the t-shirt in order to create our own design. Now, exactly like I showed you at the beginning of this video, go back to Google and search for alternative animojis and pick one of these images. So, in this video, I'll use penguins as an example because there are many penguin fans all over the world who would like to buy and make a t-shirt with lovely penguins. Once you've chosen a penguin image, we can save it to our computer, take a screenshot, or save it to your phone for free. Simply click this button to upload an image, select the photos we want to utilize, and the penguin photo will appear. Once you've uploaded your image properly, it will appear on the t-shirt as shown here. You may now drag and drop the photo to any location you chose, as well as enlarge them by dragging them. So right now, I'm slightly extending it to make room for the box in the center and putting it in the bottom right corner. The penguin image on top of the t-shirt, as you can see, are just what I'm looking for. Copying and pasting it is all it takes. The next step is to pick a color for your product. And we've chosen on white for our t-shirt. After that, go down to the bottom of the page to determine the pricing for your product. So by default, they'll recommend $26.99, and you'll profit $11 on each sale. While Teespring markets and sells the t-shirt for you every day. The beauty of Teespring is how quiet it is and how easy it is to get started with. Because Teespring will help you market and sell your products, you can only keep 15% of the profits. Simply click the continue button at the bottom of the page when you're satisfied with your design. And your t-shirt and design will be showcased prominently on teespring.com, resulting in hundreds of sales. I'd like you to go to facebook.com right now, and I feel that everyone who has a Facebook account should. In a search engine, type in the phrase Penguin Loves. All I want you to do when you arrive to Facebook is choose groups from the filter box by default. So I'll just click the groups button, and then I'll ask you to join these public groups by clicking on this button right here. And they'll let you filter all of the results for public penguin lovers groups. Let's say I click on this group right here to go to this page. I discover a bevy of fellow penguin fans from all around the world as I go down. They'll be showcasing various images, graphics, and videos related to penguins. And if I can put a basic design right here on the scoop, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to talk to anyone. And it'll be very targeted traffic because everyone who joins this group is a penguin lover. And publish a very basic post and share your t-shirt design right here. You'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to talk. Simply join the Facebook group and you'll be able to earn and make a lot of money in no time. And that wraps it up. That is how to make $2,680 using this website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.